Okay, yeah, recording started. Okay, so let me open. Okay, first let me explain. Basically, in cloning, what we are doing. Okay, so Notepad, no Notepad, favorite Coral Draw. Okay, so this is my server, application server. So we are assuming that everything we have in a single node. So either I'm going to perform cloning on single node or multi-node or multi to multi or multi to single. 90% step will be same. So this is my server, and in this server what we have done, we have DB and we have apps, both we have in a single machine. So in case of 12.1.1, what we did, we have shut down the application services, we have shut down the database services, and before that we run AD pre-clone. So it will create some script, some template, and we will take the tar of my DB and tar of my application, and that tar file I will copy, I will SAP from source to target, and I will do untar and I will run ADCFG clone. So ADCFG clone in DB and ADCFG clone in application. So likewise, we can do the application and DB cloning. But in case of 12.2 or in case of 12.1.1 as well, we should not shut down the services, or we should not shut down the databases just for sake of cloning. Why? Because it's a routine task for apps DBA. Every month, 2 times or 3 times, I will perform cloning. So I cannot get approval from customer. Hey, I'm going to perform a cloning. I need to shut down my application services or DB for 3 hours or 4 hours. No one will be agree. Okay, so what we do in that, let me open the notepad. And so for cloning, first thing we required Oracle Home. We required Oracle Home, then we required database, then three, we required application home, and fourth, we required application. Fourth thing we required, whenever I'm going to perform cloning, either with the help of cold backup or with the help of hard backup or RMN backup, whatever the method I'm using, we required these four steps. So what we can do, first thing I required Oracle Home. So this Oracle Home backup I can take with the help of tar command. tar-cvf, say Oracle Home dot tar, and my location is U01, say /Oracle /prod/db/tech stack. Under that we have 11.2.04 or 11.1.0.1 as well, 11.1.0.7 as well, whatever the home we have. Okay, so in case of 12.2,
मैंने आपको एक डॉक्यूमेंट मेल किया है सर।
अभी किया है?
हाँ अभी किया सर।
ओके ओके ठीक है, मैं देख लेता हूँ, ठीक है, बाद में देख लेते हैं इसको. Okay, so 11.2.0.3. So what we can do, with the help of tar command, we can take Oracle Home backup, and it's online activity. So we did not require to shut down our application or DB or anything. Now again, before running this tar command, what we have to do, we have to run AD pre-clone. AD pre-clone we will do every time whenever I'm going to perform my cloning. So we have to know AD pre-clone in apps tier and AD pre-clone in DB tier. Should be agree. Okay. Now, so what I will do, this I will SCP to target server. Whatever the tar command we got, Oracle Home.tar, we will do SAP at target server. Now, in the respect of my database, what we will do, we will use RMAN for taking DB backup. Okay, and we know how to take the backup. Like with, I will connect to the target database, say RMAN target / and we have to take some script. We have to allocate some channels, and we can take the backup. And this backup piece, backups will send to target. Okay, so these step I will do where in source machine. Okay. Now we have a target machine as well. Target machine. So first point which I'm going to do will be untar oracle home.tar. So when I will, and obviously in the target side, we have to create the user, we have to apply the patches, we have to create the group, we have to create the mount point as well. Now, once this untar has been done, what we have to do, we have to run ad cfg clone, cfg clone. But here what I will do, in case of 12.1.1, what we mentioned, we did db tier. Should we agree? If you remember, we have given the argument db tier. So
Yes,
what,
yes,
yeah, so what it has done, it will configure your oracle home and it will configure your oracle application, sorry, it will configure your oracle home and it will configure your database as well. But here my motto is I should get oracle home, not complete database. So we have to mention db tech stack. So tech stack means oracle home. So this script will configure my oracle home. And third point which we have to do, we have to restore rman backup and create clone db. Now it's totally depend upon you what method you are going to use for cloning your rman, cloning your oracle database. Maybe you can go with the backup based cloning, or you can go for active duplicate or whatever. See, there are plenty of methods, so that method you have to choose. But most of the time in our company we have a core dba. So core dba will take care. Just you have to pass a ticket to him, hey, I need a clone from this machine to this machine. So he will take the backup, he will transfer the backup, and he will perform the cloning. So these three part will be done by your oracle dba team. But if you are working for gulf or some other company, maybe you can work both core dba as well as apps dba both. So we have to take care of these three part. Till now, any question? Any question till now? Okay, now what we have to do in case of 12.2, Nitin, see, I mean, you can type in the chat if you have any question. If you have any question, you can type in the chat or you can ask later. Okay, so in case of application, so leave it this application home, come to this application. Okay, so we have fs1, fs2, and any we have three file system, fs2 and any. And we know fs1 will be my run file system, fs2 will be the patch file system, and any will be for non-edition, means most of the time for the log files. Okay, so what we have to do rather than, yeah, please, any question?
So what is application home and application or difference? You have mentioned
See,
number
application home in
three
the
application
sense,
home and
yeah,
number 4 application.
yeah. So application in the sense, we require WebLogic home, we require 10.1.3 home, we require 10.1.2 home. Okay, but but one thing, let me combine this one, application home plus application, not a single entity, it's a same entity. Okay, so application home plus application. Now application home in the sense I told you, we require the WebLogic home, we require 10.1.2 home, we require 10.1.3 home. So when what we have to do, we know run file system is fs1. So we need to copy only fs1 first, and with the help of some script or with the help of adcfg clone, first I will configure my fs1. So once fs1 has been configured, either we can copy fs2 from source, or either we can copy fs1 from target as well. And again, we have to run some script adcfg clone. We have to pass, either I'm going to use fs2 as a run, or either I'm going to use fs2 as a patch. Should be clear? Any question, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me show you the video which I have created. So I'll put on mute this one and let me start. See, so my application fs1 is my run file system, fs2 is patch, and this is non-edition file system. Okay. So what we have to do, we require the DB tech stack, means Oracle home, we require database, or we require apps tech stack, and we require application. See what we did, EBS node 3 is my source machine. So in source machine, we ran ad preclone.pl, and where as Oracle user, it means I'm running ad preclone in my DB. Okay. So move forward. See. And once we have run ad preclone, what we did, we took the backup of Oracle home. See, tar-cvf oracle home.tar, and this is my Oracle home 11.2.0 and ampersand. So this command I'm using in NoHub. Should be clear. Nitin, Shamim, Siddharth, are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now, so let me move on. Now, one more thing is that whenever I will install my Oracle application, my database will be in Oracle log mode. Anytime, either 10.1.2 or 10.1.3, or sorry, not 10.1, 12.1, 12.13 or 12.2, 4, 6, whatever we have. Whenever I will create my database, or whenever I will install my Oracle application with respect to database, my database will be in Oracle log mode. So what we have to do, we have to convert our database into Oracle log mode. See. So when I said select log underscore mode from $, database, it says that no RK log. So if you want to take RMAN backup, you have to put our database in RK log mode. And obviously, if I'm dealing with production database, my database will be in RK log mode. And I hope you have some idea about what is RK log mode, what is no RK log mode. If you don't have, I'll explain.
सर ये जो RMP bkd.cmd इसमें क्या लिखा है सर आपने?
हाँ अभी बता रहा हूँ अभी. So Nitin, Shamim, Irfan, you have idea about what is RK log mode? Or if you don't have, I'll explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Fine.
Nitin. Okay, great. So Nitin have, Shamim have, and Siddharth as well. Okay. Now, so alter database open. Yeah, arclog mode has been converted. Now you are asking what I have written in CMD file. Okay. So basically, so in this file, I have written the script. How Arman will take the backup? How many channels we will allocate? What could be the name of my backup pieces? So this thing I have written in CMD file. So, yeah. I'll show you. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll show you. Okay. I'll show you. So now if I'm going to take the backup, so nohub arman target / cmd file equals to this file name, and I am going to redirect the output in the log file. So let me move on. Okay. So it's going on. See. So this is a practical part. What I did, I ran ad preclone db tech stack. Why? Because I need only tech stack. I did not require complete database. So ad preclone.pl db tech stack. So let me move on. Okay, this has been done. Okay, Oracle home we got. So okay, it's moving. See. Now, you're asking about what I have written in the CMD file. So what I have written, so I'm going to allocate 4 channel. So this 4 channel will take the backup of my database. And here I have mentioned that I will take the backup as a compressed backup. Backup will be full database backup, and I have mentioned the tag. And what could be the format? /u01 /oracle /rman backup %d %t %s %p and full. And here I am going to take the backup of my rklog file as well. And I will take the backup of my current control file with tag orcl_control. And once the backup has been done, I will release my channel. I mean, it's not required. Whenever the backup will be done, automatically channel will release.
Hmm.
So Siddharth got the idea?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is command ID to okay. So
See, it's whenever you are going to perform RMAN cloning, it's up to you. See, now what happened in case of 11.2, people will prefer to take active duplicate cloning. Say after my business hours, after 10 o'clock, because see, you will take the backup, it will take some time. You will transfer the file, it will take some time, and then again you will perform the clone, it will take some time. So what people are using, they are going for active duplicate. It means they did not require the backup. What they can do, they can create one connect string in source, they can create one connect string in the target, and they will connect target and source both. And I will say active duplicate. So what it will do, it will go to source side, it will take the data file as a copy, and it will transfer to your source, sorry, target side, and automatically it will perform the cloning.
that option is there in also 11G, no? That it will say database copy as that option is also there in
Yeah, yeah.
backup.
Oh, yeah, option is there, but that is for taking the backup. But here I'm not taking the backup. I'm not taking any
So
kind of backup. Just I'm saying active duplicate. So it will take the data file copy and
hmm.
it will send to your target side. So rather than recreating that data file again, it will take a lot of time. So it will take the copy, it will put in the target, and that data file will be used. Okay, so let me continue. So here it has written. Okay, move on. Okay, so backup pieces got started. See. So rban target slash. Okay, so no hub rban target slash cmd file rban backup.cmd log equals to this, and backup has been started. So when I'll say jobs, it's saying that it's running. Okay, so let me move on. Okay. Now, to one important thing. See, in real time, our production file system and test or development or the clone server will be different. File system will be different. So in that case, if we have a different location, say in production, let me put in the notepad or here. Say my production file system is u01 slash oracle slash prod slash db slash apps stack underscore stack slash data. So in this location, we have all the CRD files. So this is my production, but in development or in test, location is different. Here location we have, rather than using prod, I'm using dev or I'm using test. Whatever the naming convention. So here naming convention is different, production is different, and development is different. So in that case, we have to use convert parameter, db file convert parameter and log file convert parameter. So this thing I have mentioned here in the video. See here. So db file converts or log file name convert parameter we have to specify. So first string will be your source and second string will be your target. So it's clear to you? Okay. So let me continue. Okay. So perfect. Now what I did, see what I did now, that the Oracle home tar file I have sent to your target node EBS node 5T, and untar I have done. So adcfg clone.pl, and we are mentioning db tech stack. It means I'm going to configure only Oracle Home. I'm not going to configure my database. So if it is database, we mentioned db tier, but I'm going to configure Oracle Home. I have mentioned db tech stack. So let me continue. So this has been done. Okay, so adcfg clone.pl. So this I'm running where EBS node 5T. So copy this command and paste there. See, adcfg clone.pl db tech stack. Okay, so it will ask again, what is host name, what is it's a rack instance, or what is database SID or this. So same thing, whatever the thing which we have done in 12.1.1 cloning, same I am going to perform here as well. The difference is that for creating backup, sorry, creating database, I will depend upon my RMAN backup. Okay, so continue. See, it is started. Okay, see, Oracle Home got created. Now what I did, I transferred the backup pieces to our target server EBS node 5T. So I'm going to, you see, this is OMSMM is my control file backup. So let me continue. So how to do RMAN cloning? What we have to do, we have to start our instance in no mount, restore control file, then restore database, then recover database, open reset log. Same thing I have written here. So clone DB. So I'm cross verifying the parameters. Okay. See, here I have written, go back. See, DB file name convert. So we have to mention the old string and we have to mention new string. So old means my source and new means my target.
Sir, for restoration, you have created a RMAN script or what?
No, a script I have not created. What we are going to do, we are going to use a duplicate. We are going to use duplicate. I'm not going to restore data of control file, restore database or recover database. No, whatever the backup pieces we have, so I will use as a duplicate, not restore recover.
Okay.
Okay, so let me continue. So okay, so this is log file for taking the backup. Okay, now see what I did here. I'm going to connect with RMAN auxiliary slash. So I'm not going to connect as a what we call like a startup no mount or just simply what I'm going to tell to RMAN. Hey, this is my auxiliary instance. See in the video RMAN auxiliary slash and duplicate database to prod backup location this no file name check. So what it will do, it will take the backup pieces and it will perform the duplication. So see, there is a difference between duplicate and restore.
Sir, you have taken in no archive log mode, no?
No. I took in archeolog mode, yaar.
But you showed that time that no archive log mode should be there.
No. See, I shown you my database was in no archeolog mode, but later I converted into archeolog mode. Let me show you again. So there should not be any
No,
confusion.
that's okay. Later you converted into archive log mode.
Hmm.
Okay, while taking the backup, you have taken it in the archive log mode only.
See, RMAN will not work if my database is in no archeolog mode.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
No, that I know that Alman will not work if it is in. But cold backup also can work, no?
with CP command.
No, means if
Acha,
we
okay,
have in
you're talking
no
about
archive.
ARM and cold backup.
Yeah.
So in that case, we have to put our database in mount state.
Mounted, right.
Yeah, but production we cannot put in mount. So there will not be difference between 12.1 dot cloning and 12.2 dot cloning.
Okay.
Okay.
Then that time, why you changed that mode to no archive log mode? You
See,
told us that
see
time.
why? Because see, this is my own database. I play with this database. But suppose if I'm in a real time, obviously when I will create database, I will convert into archlog mode beforehand. Before go live, I will convert into archlog mode. But here I have not converted. So just for taking the backup, I converted into no arch to archlog mode.
Okay. No, that I thought that you said that when you are taking the backup of the database, so it should be no archive log. So
Hmm.
there you mentioned, that's why I was confused.
Okay, fine. So where we were? Okay, so still we are in node. Where is node 4? Yeah. So Nitin, Shamim, or Siddharth, it's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So restore got started. Okay.
So what is the space this 12.2 takes? Fresh database.
Sorry, Siddharth, which one?
This fresh database, what is the approximate space it takes in your hard disk?
I think it occupied almost more than 200 GB.
Okay. Means you have taken 60 GB for this staging area and plus 250 GB for this to keep all the software of
Actually,
apps and this
I have given almost 500 GB space. Let me show you.
no, actually, we have a machine, we cannot allocate that one. Just want to know the approximate size of 12.2.
Um, okay. So see the total allocation.
231 it is.
Total allocation is
Just
4
show us.
493. Okay, and use this 231. So let me go to U01.
Mm.
See, so in that I kept everything. I kept 11204 home. I will take this. What is the size for this one? So apps and Oracle. I think 60 plus close to 120 or 130 GB.
Well, these only the two locations where you have kept 12.2, huh?
Yes. Okay, so sizing we can check later. Let me continue.
It's okay, sir.
Okay,
Take
so
your
here see, let's come back. See what I did. I did rman auxiliary slash, and after that I will fire this restore script. Okay, duplicate database to prod backup location and see starting duplicate DB at 21st December 17. See, it got started. So it will create SP file from memory. It will shut down the clone database. It will start in mount. Sorry, no mount. Okay. See. So restoring control file. Now restoring my database Yeah, first restore control file, then see, when we don't have a control file, what we do, we say startup no mount, and with the help of rman, I will restore my control file. And when we got the control file for restoring my database and recovery of my database, we have to put our database in mount state. So this thing will be done by automatically using rman. So I'm checking the alert log file. See, restore complete for data file 399. Okay, so it will restore your entire database. Let me continue. Okay, yeah, I think restore has been done. Okay, SQL plus SSDBA. Yeah, and see,
Hello, sir. I have a question here.
yeah, please. Yeah, Shabim, please.
So suppose when you are taking the tar backup from the source side,
Mm-hmm.
when you are taking the tar backup and doing the tar from the source side and application is still running,
Mm-hmm.
so what would be happen if user are still making any transaction? Is if user is, at application level, user is doing some form kind of things and on interface, and you are doing the tar. So will that if user is changing something, so
Mm-hmm.
will that be coming in the tar
Okay.
because the
Hmm.
application is still running?
Yeah. See, this kind of work we will not do at the peak time. Say my business
Okay,
time. Yeah.
okay.
So I think you
Hmm.
got the answer. Mostly this
Yes,
we,
yes, yes. I
yeah,
got the
mostly we
answer.
do after our business hours. And whenever I'll take the backup arm
Hmm.
and I'm giving 4 channel, it will use a lot of CPU resources. So
Yeah.
this we do in non-business hours. And see, in the video, I have written one script. With the help of that script, we can find the status of my Arman backup, like how much it has been done, total, how much it has to do, how much percent it has done. So each and every information you can get from that script. Like what is my SID? So SID is nothing but a process or Arman channel. So what is the total work? How much it has done? How much it has done in percent? So this information you can get with the help of this script. So either you can type this
Okay.
script or either you see this is script you can get from Google. Okay, so let me continue. Okay, it's still going on. Okay, I mean this cloning is a time consuming task. Okay, see still it's running. I think this point we have discussed on that day, right, Shamim?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
Yeah,
discussed.
actually, yeah. You when I saw this one, the Arman backup size. So you asked that question. Can't we use hot backup? Okay, so that we can skip. Yeah, this part we can skip.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah, this part we can skip.
yes.
Okay. Now, so I got Oracle Home and database got created. So what we have to do, we have to run ADCFG clone in DBTR. Why? Because we have to configure my database as well for my application. So I will use ADCFG clone.pl DBTR. Again, same old story. It will ask my host name. It's a RAG instance. What is my Oracle SID? Location of my Oracle Home, temp directory. Everything it will ask. Okay, let me continue. See. Okay. So location of my Oracle home. So we have to mention U01 Oracle prod 11 to 0. Okay. So database, we got the database. Okay, so apply database got completed successfully. Listener already started, that we have seen. See, cloning of 12.2
जो
is
आपने सर्वर पे 12.2 रखा है,
um, कौन से सर्वर पे? यूक्लिड
हाँ
सर्वर
सर
पे?
बोलिए, क्लोनिंग ऑफ 12.2।
नहीं, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे?
हाँ वो क्या है सर, स्टेजिंग एरिया? नहीं, मैं बोला कि वो स्टेजिंग एरिया पे है या उसके लिए स्टेजिंग एरिया हमको बनाना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, देखिए, जो सॉफ्टवेयर आप यूज कर रहे हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर ऑलरेडी।
हेलो हेलो सर, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा। हेलो
सॉरी,
हेलो।
मैं म्यूट पे चला गया था। सॉरी। Okay, yep. So 80% got completed. Now, okay. Okay, so this got completed. Yeah. See, AD pre-clone apps tier. So see, this I'm running in EBS Node 3. It means AD pre-clone I'm running in my source machine, not target. So EBS Node 3 is my source machine. So AD pre-clone apps tier and continue. So I'm checking the run base. Yeah, FS2 is my run base. Okay. So I'm taking tar backup. So tar has been done. Now this tar file I will send to my target machine. So scp-r fs2 192.168.0.147 is my target machine and u01. Yep. So okay. Now we got this tar file. See, we got this tar file fs2 where in EBS node 5t. So EBS node 5t is my target machine and I'm doing untar. So no hub tar -xvf fs2. Okay. Now changing the permission. So tar has been done. See this one. No hub tar -xvf done. So I'm changing the permission for my appl user. Okay, now I'm going to run ad pre-clone, adcfg clone.pl in my target machine. Okay, so now see the important point is here when I run adcfg clone.pl. So we have to specify either this adcfg clone.pl I am running for run file system or patch file system. So by default it will take run. So we have to mention run.
Sir, sir, you copied the FS1 or FS2?
No. I have not copied FS1. I have not copied FS2. I copied run file system.
Sorry, I could not hear voice.
Okay.
You
Okay. No. I'm saying that uh, I haven't copied FS1. I haven't copied FS2. I copied run file system. And
run file system.
and here run file system is my FS2.
Okay.
I think in the video I have shown you echo dollar run base. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let me continue. So we have to say run. See.
So it's always we copy the run file system, not the patch
Always.
file system. If
No. Initially, we copy run file system. So here, see,
okay.
yeah, run file system is run. What is my host name? See, one question I have when I'm saying when I'm going to specify EBS node 5T, it's saying the target system host either virtual or either normal. So only Nitin has asked, sir, what is normal and what is virtual? Sorry, oh, sorry. Let me open the notepad. What is virtual and what is normal node? Okay, so let me take as a question. Okay, still not showing anything. Yeah. Okay. Okay, going on. So until I did, I'm changing the permission. So changing the permission. Okay. Now we have to run ADCFG clone. So ADCFG clone, we will run always as a from common top clone.bin. So ADCFG clone.pl, run this one. Okay, see, I ran. Go back. So ADCFG clone.pl apps tier. So it will ask my, do you want to add the node? No, I don't want to add the node. And whenever I'm doing cloning and whenever I'm doing any AD pre-clone, ADCFG clone, system will generate one log file. Okay, let me, recording I'm doing. Yeah, recording I'm doing. So we have to check the
Yeah,
log
this
file.
add node means what?
So say for
Because
example,
node means extra node.
sorry, which one?
This add node means it is mentioning that you want to add on extra node or what?
Yes, it's thinking that I'm going to add a new node. Say for example, I have
Like
installed.
I want to, yeah, for example, that I want to run the like that web logic on different node. So
Mhm.
for that purpose.
Exactly. So for example,
Oh,
already application has been installed, but now I want to add some more node or I want to distribute my services. So in that case, we will go for
okay.
adding a node. So it is
Mm-hmm.
asking virtual or
Fine, fine,
normal.
fine.
Okay, normal. My Oracle SID. Okay, let it be. So host name, base directory. So same thing we have done. See, same thing we have done. It will ask your base directory, it will ask your run file system. So when it asking run file system, I have given U01 apps prod fs2. Okay. Okay, so enabling the services, it run. Okay. See, we got one issue. See, warning. Okay, go back. So issue was that this location was already exist. Why? Because just before doing the recording, what I did the clone just for testing purpose. So it's saying that already this location is exist. So what we can do, either we can remove this location, or either we can say continue. Okay. Now one more issue we got. So I did the cloning. So information about my 10.1.2 home, 10.1.3 home, WebLogic home. This information has been stored in my global inventory. So what we have to do, we have to remove the information from global inventory as well. I think in the demo I have shown how to remove. Okay. Okay.
सर ये क्या है ग्लोबल इन्वेंट्री
See
ये
what I
क्या
did.
आपने बोला
देखिए मैंने क्या बताया आपको कि ये जो रिकॉर्डिंग है मैंने इसको स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक बार मैंने क्लोन का टेस्ट किया था कि ये जो क्लोनिंग की स्क्रिप्ट हम आपको देंगे या जो वीडियो हम देंगे ये वीडियो सही है कि नहीं है. तो ओके ADCG क्लोन. सो होम को मूव किया हम लोगों ने. सो ADCG क्लोन अगेन रन किया. वो कहाँ पर है मैं कमांड जरा ढूंढ लेता हूँ. See already exist. So okay, just let me open the log file. See, this is the command. So run installer -silent deinstall remove Oracle Home. See. So with the help of this command, we can remove. Yeah, this is the command. So run installer -silent deinstall remove homes, and we have to give the complete path of my Oracle Home, and where we can get this path from inventory.xml file. So these home I deleted. Okay. So let me check the video again. नितिन, शमीम एंड सिद्धार्थ, ये क्लियर हो रहा है ना आप लोग को? रिकॉर्डिंग. So inventory.xml. See what are the home we have. Each and every home information will be here. See, we have a 10.1.3 home, we have a 10.1.2 home, we have a 11.1.0 home. So each and every information will be stored here. See, FMW home, Oracle
So
common home.
how do we know that कि हमारा ये कौन हम
Sorry, which one?
सही तो बहुत सारे होम है हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि नहीं हाउ डू वी रिकॉग्नाइज कि हमारा होम ये है और हमें ये वाला डिलीट करना है हमें ये इन्फॉर्मेशन डिलीट करनी है बहुत सारे होम्स हैं इसमें
नहीं, ये लॉग फाइल में इंफॉर्मेशन आपको दिखेगी. जब हम लोग इंस्टॉलेशन कर रहे थे तो उसमें उसने बताया था कि दिस होम इज ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्ट.
अच्छा ओके.
हाँ, वो लॉग फाइल हमने खोल के चेक किया था. मैंने वीडियो में दिखाया मैंने कि वो कौन सी लॉग फाइल चेक करेंगे, लोकेशन सब बताएगा आपको। ठीक है, चलिए।
ठीक है।
ओके, सो लेट मी कंटिन्यू। ओके, सो एडी प्रीक्लोन स्टार्टेड। देखिए ऐसा है नितिन, शमीम और सिद्धार्थ, हम लोग जब भी से देखिए, ये तो क्या है, हमारा होम होम पीसी है, कुछ इश्यूज आया हमने डिलीट कर दिया, कुछ नए इश्यूज आया, को मतलब जो भी हुआ हमने गूगल से सर्च कर लिया। बट जब हम लोग रियल टाइम में करते से आप पीपल सॉफ्ट में करते होंगे, सो वी मेंटेन द एक्सेल। सपोज करिए फर्स्ट टाइम आई डिड क्लोनिंग, आई गॉट सम इश्यूज, सो व्हाट वाज द इश्यूज वी गॉट, व्हाट वाज द फिक्स, उसका एक डॉक्यूमेंट वर्जन v.1.1 क्रिएट कर दिया। नेक्स्ट टाइम हमने क्लोनिंग किया
राइट।
तो कुछ और इश्यूज आए तो उसका v.2 कर दिया हम लोगों ने। तो लास्ट में 2-3 बार क्लोनिंग करने के बाद एक हमको फाइनल डॉक्यूमेंट मिल जाता है और हम लोग उसी को फॉलो करते रहते हैं।
जी जी।
ठीक है,
राइट।
सो चलते आगे, चलते देखते हैं। ओके ओके, 50%, 53 is okay. So from one screen I'm checking the background, and from one screen I'm checking the log file. Okay, so it got completed. It means my fs2 means my run file system got configured. Now same thing I will do for my fs1. So what I will do, from source or from target, anywhere. So from source I will take fs1, or we can say patch file system, I will send to my target, and again I will run adcfg clone. Okay, let me open that video 3.
सर अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि ये आप बोले थे जैसे कि या तो हम कॉपी कर सकते हैं या फिर हम स्क्रिप्ट के थ्रू भी कर सकते हैं,
बिल्कुल
बना सकते हैं
बिल्कुल
पैच
बिल्कुल
फाइल सिस्टम।
बिल्कुल। ओके, सो क्लोन 3।
अच्छा अच्छा।
सी देखिए वीडियो मैंने अब थर्ड वीडियो में बताया मैंने। सी, so go to OU bin. See, I did uninstaller -silent -deinstall remove Oracle remove homes U01 app prod. Now just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. See, so run installer -deinstall remove Oracle home, and I have given the complete location. So what happened? Starting deinstallation is in progress, and end of installation. So likewise, we can deinstall any Oracle home. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Now again I ran ADCFG clone. See, ADCFG clone apps tier where EBS node 5T. Okay, so EBS node 5T. This one, this one, this one. Okay, perfect. Okay. Somewhere it should display run file system. Sorry, patch file system. So let me check. Okay.
सर ये
Okay.
वीडियो सारे शेयर हुए हैं ना?
सॉरी।
ये वीडियो सारे शेयर हुए हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ, शेयर कर दिया मैंने। मैं अभी
ठीक है।
शायद एक वीडियो में डिलीट करूंगा अभी। 1 मिनट, उससे पहले जरा मैं डिलीट कर दूं इसको, जरा 2 मिनट रुकिए।
नहीं
जो रन फाइल सिस्टम है वो कॉन्फ़िगर हो गया। So EBS web prod and it's alive. Now what we have to do, we have to configure patch file system as well. ठीक है, ठीक है। क्लोनिंग हो गया। अब एक बार हम लोग यूआरएल लॉगिन करके चेक कर लेंगे।
सर अभी पैच फाइल सिस्टम हमने
हाँ,
कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं किया ना, हो गया कॉन्फ़िगर
नहीं
पैच
नहीं
भी?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, अभी पैच कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं हुआ अभी। हाँ, अभी पैच कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं हुआ। अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप है कैसे पैच कॉन्फ़िगर करेंगे वो देखेंगे। अभी देखिए क्या है ना कि जस्ट वी आर क्रॉस चेकिंग आइदर
ठीक
क्लोनिंग
है।
हैज बीन डन सक्सेसफुली और नॉट। So let me open the URL and check the URL. So I'm going to shut down application services again. See, now I am going to copy fs2 as fs1. See, mohub cp-r star in fs1. Okay, so I got fs1 as well. So fs2 is my run file system. Whatever the contents we have in fs2, I copied in fs1, and again I will run adcfg clone. See, the important thing, I ran adcfg clone.pl. So it is saying that you want to add the node. I said no. Target system file edition type, by default it's a run, but I'm mentioning patch. Now system will know fs1 is my patch file system and fs2 already we have configured. Siddharth, sorry, Nitin and Shamim bhai.
So this time this is vice versa. The run file system is FS2 and the patch is FS1.
Exactly.
This
See,
is
same
opposite. Okay.
same architecture is in my source as well. Why? Because see, when we do the patching on that time, I did switch over. So fs2 became
Yes.
fs1, fs1 became fs2. So,
Okay. So we just copy the entire directory. That's
exactly,
it.
exactly,
There is no
exactly,
need to run any script like something. We just
exactly.
and after that we have to configure this. After that we have to configure with AD
Yep,
CFG.
ADCFG. Okay, so let me continue. So, so now I'm starting my services. So one mistake I did while taking the copy, we are copying from FS2 to FS1. So what we have to do before copying, we have to run AD pre-clone in FS2 as well. Or what we can do, we can copy FS1 from source system as well. But it will take a lot of time. Go to source machine, and from there it will take entire FS1 sent to target machine. It will take a lot of time. So what I did, rather than copying from source machine, I copied from target as well. Okay. So CP-R.
So as you said before, as you said that before copying it, we have to run the
Pre-clone.
ADCFG. What you said?
No, AD pre-clone in FS2 as well.
AD pre-clone in FS2 as well. FS.
Yeah. Yeah. Before copying FS2 as FS1, we have to run AD pre-clone in FS2. FS2 in the sense my run file system. Okay. So any doubt, Nitin?
But that would be on target machine or on the source machine?
Source, target machine. See, we can run in source machine as well. But again, taking the FS1 from source to target, it will occupy a lot of network bandwidth. So rather than copying from source, I can copy from target. Why? Because same contents we have in source and same content we have in target.
But okay, but it has to be, AD pre-clone has to be run first.
Yes. Okay. So again, I'm going to run ADCFG clone apps tier, and I will mention as a patch. Okay. See, now target system file edition type is patch. It will ask for context file for run file system. Why? Because in context file we have all the configuration. So that's why in second time we have to pass context file. Okay. So it's going to configure. See, so at least you guys can do one thing. Just download the video. I mean the clone 2 I have deleted. I will upload now in few minutes. So just cross check. I mean, just not cross check. Just go through the video. It's a very crispy and clear. I mean, whatever the issues I got while time of cloning, everything I have documented. So any question, Nitin and Shamim? Any question? Okay.
Okay, it's fine.
So tomorrow might be I will show you how to do DB upgrade and how to do application upgrade. So DB upgrade I have done. I have done DB upgrade. So tomorrow
Yes.
I will show you how to upgrade our database, then how to move on application upgrade as well. Okay.
Yes.
So do one thing. I mean, we have today's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days we have. So whatever the doubt you have in any topic, like Nitin have send me some questions, so that I will do. I will send an email to him. Apart from that, questions, doubts. Say for example, you have a doubt in concurrent manager, or you have a doubt in anything. Say for example, in 12.2 patching, in 12.1 patching. So you can send me an email. So we'll
So
work.
for the concurrent manager, you were supposed to send some
I
supposed
will
to
do.
show some
I will
practical
do.
session on concurrent manager.
Yeah, I will do. but not now. I will do, but sure I will do.
Yeah.
I mean, how to create a scheduler, how to create a job.
Okay. Sure.
I'll do.
Sure. Yes.
Just 1 minute. I am getting one call. Okay, just 1 minute.